So now we are going to learn fourth chapter, introduction to financial market. Okay, second unit. Okay, let's we see meaning and definition of financial market. Okay, what's the meaning of the financial market? The financial market mean a market. Okay, financial market mean a market. So where the financial securities are the financial instrument. Okay, the financial instrument are the traded, it is known as financial market. Okay, did you understand? So financial market mean it is a market, so we can exchange the financial securities or financial instruments. Okay, we can exchange financial instrument or the financial securities in this market, it is known as financial market. Okay guys, so what's the meaning of the what are the okay, what's the meaning of the financial instrument or the financial securities? The financial securities like preference shares and debentures, it is a shares. Okay, shares and debentures, bonds, it is known as is a securities. Okay, did you understand what's the meaning of the securities? Securities like, okay, securities like shares and debentures and bonds, it is a securities. Okay, did you understand? Okay, the meaning and definition financial market mean it is a market, so we can exchange the financial instrument or we exchange the financial instrument or the security, it is known as financial market. Okay, then this market, it's a unlike other market. Okay, the financial markets like other market because of it's a basically the market place we can buy and sell, we can usually can participate in the exchange of assets. It's a assets such as equities and bonds and the derivatives and the currencies. Okay, this is a financial market. Okay, the financial markets unlike other market. Okay, other market mean it is a only we can exchanging the commodity. Okay, the other markets like, so only we can exchange the commodity from the one person to the another person. Is it groceries or vegetables, it's like the commodity wheat and sugars, like that we are the exchanging. But in this the financial market, we are the exchanging bonds and the documents and the derivatives and the currencies and equity shares, like that only we are exchanging. This is the financial market. This is the difference between the financial market and the ordinary market. Okay, did you understand guys? What's the meaning of the financial market? Financial market mean we can exchanging the securities, we can exchanging the securities, or we can trade at the securities, or we can trade at the security, it is known as financial market. The securities like shares and bonds and debentures. Okay, did you understand? It's a shares like preference shares and equity shares. So like that only we are exchanging in this market, it is known as financial market. It's not an ordinary market, please don't confuse. Okay, financial market mean only we traded only the securities. Okay, do you understand? Securities like shares and debentures and bonds, it's like that only. Okay, it's a market mean the exchange the commodity. Okay, exchange the commodities like wheat or sugar, we can exchange me, that is a market, it's an ordinary market. Okay, so it is a financial market, it's unlike other market. Okay, did you understand guys? Okay, see, then the financial okay, see the financial market. So financial transactions be the place either the and specific place or the location. Okay, the financial markets I told so we have to exchange the securities. Okay, so how to the exchange the securities, may have to want to one place, yes or no, is it or not guys? So financial securities for just a market mean, so how to check exchange. Okay, how to exchange the commodities in this market, exchange the commodity in a particular place so this like the financial market. The financial market also we have to exchange the commodity in a place, the specific place. Do you know the where is we can locate at the financial market in India? Do you know? Do you know the what are the financial markets are there? So financial markets like it is a SEBI. So sorry, the financial market like it is a Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE and NSE. So BSE and NSE is a stock exchange. The stock exchange, it is a financial market. Okay, so this is the place. The financial market transaction may take place either the specific place or location. So the financial market means it is we can have to exchange the securities mean the place have to exchange the securities mean it is a the particular specific place or the locations are necessary. So the specific place is located in Mumbai. Okay, it is a Mumbai. So the BSE, so BSE is a financial market. BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange, it's located in Mumbai. So there is a specific location. Okay, so we can exchange stock exchange. Stock exchange means it is a Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange, it is a so there is a location. Okay, Bombay Stock Exchange we can locate it in, it's a Mumbai. Okay, could you understand guys what's the mean the financial market mean? The financial market mean it is a one of the market, so we can exchange the securities. It is known as financial market. So securities such as shares, debentures and bonds, it is known as and securities. So these securities and we can exchange in this market. This market is a BSE. The BSE mean is a Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange, it is located in Mumbai. Okay, did you understand, guys? Are you clear the topic? Okay. Next, the scope of Indian financial market. Okay, the scope of financial market. Okay, actually the financial market provide the financial assistant. Okay, the financial market provide the financial assistant to the individual, agriculture sector and the industrial sector and the service sector and financial institutions like banks, insurance sector, and provide the fund for the government also. It is a providing. Okay, providing and the short term as well as the long term financial assistance also. So it is a Indian market. Okay, India financial markets are providing the more assistance, so financial assistance, providing the providing assistance to individual, agriculture sectors like that and all, and it is a giving short term loan and long term loan. So what's the meaning of the short term loan mean? It is a less than 1 year. Okay, the less the short term loans, and long term loans means is a more than 1 year. So the providing the loans to the individual or agriculture people is like that all, mean it is a short term and long term loans. It will be, we can discuss in the next lesson, I think. Okay, this is the scope of Indian financial market. Okay, so next, types of financial market. Okay, types of financial market mean, first, on the basis of types of financial claim, on the basis of maturity. Next, on the basis of the time of issue financial claim. Next, on the basis of timing of delivery of financial claim. Next, on the basis of organization structure of financial market. Okay, this is a types of financial market. Okay, first see types of financial market, types of financial claim. Okay, so types of financial claim, it will be divided into debt market and equity market. Okay, so debt market mean it is one of the financial market. Okay, debt market mean it's a financial market for trading in a debt instrument. So debt instruments like government bond and government securities. Okay, government bonds and securities, the corporate debentures or bonds, it is a debt market. Okay, so debt market mean it is one of the market, so we can trade it in the securities like government bonds and securities. Government bonds mean it is a government land or government buildings documents, so this document, so we can get the it is also we can put into the is a market. So it's like okay, so debt market. Okay, do you understand, guys? Debt market mean it is a market, so we can trade in the debt instruments. Okay, debt market mean it is a financial market, so we can trade at the debt instrument, and the debt instruments like government bonds or securities, it is known as debt market. Okay, next, equity market. Equity market mean it is a financial market for the trading the equity shares of the company. Okay, so what's the meaning of the equity shares? Equity shares mean it is a owner of the shares. Okay, equity shares mean it's owner of the shares. So the shares maybe we can classify it into two. Okay, shares may be they classified into two: preference shares and equity shares. Okay, shares may be classified into two types. First one is a equity shares and second one is a preference shares. Equity shares mean is owner of the shares, is owner of the companies. Okay, owner of the companies only the holding the shares, it is known as equity shares, because they has the rights, so we can put in the OT. Okay, so it's a equity market, guys. Okay, did you understand this one? Debt market and equity market. Debt market mean it is a financial market for trading in debt instrument, it is known as a debt market. Debt instruments like government bonds and securities. And equity market mean it is the financial market for trading equity shares. Equity shares mean it is a owner of the company, the owner shares, it is known as equity shares. Next, on the basis of maturity for financial claim. Okay, so on the basis of maturity financial claim mean it's a money market and the capital market. Okay, so money market means a money market the providing the short term financial assistance. Okay, so money market the providing the short term financial assistance to the investors or people, it is known as money market. Okay, and the capital market mean it is the providing the long term financial assistance for the and the peoples, it is known as capital market. Okay, so money market mean it's the providing short term financial assistance to the people. So it's like financial short term finance, so money market. Okay, so they are giving that short term loans, you know. So short term loans, so they are the providing the based on the securities like treasury bills, commercial paper, and certificate of deposits and all. It's a document of documents to the money market. Okay, do you understand, guys? Money market mean it is a market. Money market mean it is a market. So money market, the providing the short term loan. That short term loans means less than 1 year. Okay, the less than 1 year, for example treasury bills, commercial paper, and certificate of deposit. So they are giving the loan is based on these certificates. Okay, this is the money market. And second one is capital market. The capital market mean it is one of the market. It's providing the long term financial assistance to the and the peoples. It is known as capital market. So this market, the providing the loans is based on the shares and debentures. Okay, shares means I told you now, shares maybe we can classify it into preference shares and equity shares. Okay, then debenture is a document. Okay, did you understand, guys? Money market mean providing short term loans. Capital market mean it is providing long term loans, short term loans and long term loans. Okay, next on the basis of time of issue of financial claim. Okay, so time of issue of financial claim, it will be divided into two. First one is a primary market and second one is a secondary market. The primary market mean the first time we can issue the shares into the market. Okay, the first time the issuing the fresh shares. Okay, the first time shares. Okay, the first sale of the security for the first time. Okay, the securities involving the traded in the first time mean it is known as primary market. Okay, the securities involving into the market. Okay, the securities you can enter into the market in the first time in it is known as primary market. Okay, do you understand, guys? The fresh shares. Okay, so the company we can issue the fresh shares into the market. It is known as primary market. Okay, the primary mean the fresh shares, the first time we can issue the shares into the market. It is known as primary market. Okay, then for example OTCA, the OTCA it is the primary market. Example for the primary market. Second is a secondary market. Okay, secondary market mean we can trade at the already issued issued shares. Okay, it's a already issued mean this second hand shares. Okay, it is a secondary market. Secondary market mean it is a traded securities. Okay, we can exchange the traded securities in this market. It is known as secondary market. For example BSE and NSE, you know, it is the example to the secondary market. Okay, did you understand, guys? What's it mean the primary market and secondary market? First time, okay, the first time issuing the shares into the market mean it is known as primary market. The second time we are the issuing the shares more than first time. Okay, the more than the first time we can issuing the shares into the market mean it is known as secondary market. So the securities are already issued. Okay, so it's a second hand securities or the old securities we can issuing in this market. It is known as the securities market. It's like BSE and NSE. BSE and NSE is a secondary market. Okay, so BSE it's located in Mumbai. So next on the basis of timing of delivery financial claim. Okay, so it will be divided into two, spot market and forward or future market. Spot market mean immediately. So immediately we can sell the securities for money. So it means it is a spot market. Spot mean it's immediate, the cash. Okay, so spot cash, spot immediately we can get the payment or immediately we can sell the securities in this market. It is known as it's a spot market. But it's a forward or future market mean we can or deliver the assets or we can sell the security in the future. Okay, but sell the securities in the future. The security we can sell in the present, but the amount it will be we can get in future. It is known as future market. Okay, do you understand the difference between the spot market and future market? Spot market mean it is a immediately we can sell the security for money. It is known as a spot market. Future market mean we can sell the securities but money will be getting future. It is known as future market. Okay, So next, on the basis of organization structure of financial market, okay, on this basis of structure, first one is a exchange trade market. Exchange trade market mean it's a centralized organization. For example, stock exchange, it is a exchange trade market. Stock exchange, okay, stock exchange mean BSE, NSE, okay, BSE mean Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE mean National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange you can located in Mumbai, okay, it is a Bombay Stock Exchange, and BSE mean National Stock Exchange. There is no the structure for, there is no the physical existence to the National Stock Exchange because it is a screen based system. NSE mean it's a National Stock Exchange. There is no the physical, there is no the physical existence and all because it is a screen based system. Okay, second is a over the counter market. The over the counter market mean it is also, it is a screen based market. Screen based mean fully the computerized market. So it is a decentralized market outside the stock exchange with the customized procedures. Mean there is no it is it's so don't have the building and structure and all, there is no the physical existence and all, it's a full and full the computerized market. It is a over counter the market. Okay, did you understand? Exchange trader market mean it's a stock exchange. Stock exchange means a BSE, it is a BSE and NSE is a stock exchange. BSE located in Mumbai. National Stock Exchange mean NSE mean National Stock Exchange. There is no the physical existence to the NSE, National Stock Exchange. It is a screen based system, mean full and full we can computerized. And over the counter market mean it is also we can, it's a decentralized market because it's a we can sell the securities and buy the security through and the computer. It's an online basis. It is known as over the counter market. Okay, do you have any doubts from this topic, guys? Can you ask them? I will explain about that. Okay, quitting.